Welcome to the professional kitchen's secret world of food calculation. Today, we unlock the formulas used by top chefs. Ever wondered how hotels and catering companies calculate buffet quantities with such accuracy? It's all about the math. Watch the seamless coordination in a luxury buffet setup, where every detail, from the food display to the kitchen prep, is meticulously planned. I'll show you the exact formulas used by professional chefs worldwide to avoid wastage, control cost, and guarantee customer satisfaction. Let's start with the fundamental mathematics behind planning a successful buffet. The golden rule is simple. A standard buffet requires 750 to 900 grams of cooked food per person. Adjust based on your audience. Heavy labor workforce needs 1 to 1.2 kilogram. Kids eat 60%, and seniors consume 80% of adult portions. These numbers are based on real-world data. For an 800-gram average plate, we need a balanced category breakdown to manage cost and ensure satisfaction. Staples like rice or bread should account for 25%, approximately 200 grams, while proteins like meat or fish take up 20 to 25%, or around 180 grams. Vegetables and dal are 20%, about 160 grams. Allocate 10% for salads and 8 to 10% for desserts. This balanced mix is essential. Beyond cooked weight, chefs rely on fixed raw ingredient ratios for consistency, regardless of the batch size. For plain rice, 120 grams raw yields 300 grams cooked. For biryani, you need 100 grams of rice plus 150 grams of meat per person. Dal requires 35 to 50 grams raw per person. To maintain flavor balance, precise spice ratios are critical. Salt is 1.6% of total raw weight, chili is 0.35 to 0.5%, and oil for gravies is 6 to 8%. Let's apply these formulas to a real-life scenario, calculating food for a 100-person buffet. For 100 guests, the total cooked food is around 80 kilograms. For biryani, that means 5 kilograms of raw rice and 7.5 kilograms of raw chicken. For the roti station, you need about 9 kilograms of dough for 150 pieces. 4 kilograms of raw dal translates to 35 to 40 liters cooked, plus 50 liters of water and 25 liters of soft drinks. Remember to always adjust based on your audience. Corporate events focus more on salads, while industrial sites require heavier, carb-rich portions. To summarize, these 4 steps are the foundation of perfectly balanced buffet planning used by professionals every single day. Recapping the 4 key steps: use 750 to 900 grams of food per person, maintain the ideal category split, follow fixed ingredient ratios, and calculate using real-life examples. If you want a full Excel calculator or printable PDF versions of these formulas, tell me in the comments below. Subscribe and stay connected for latest food updates. Thank you for watching.